Rongo Scooter Club conclude its 2-day ride to Manduli Lake. Number Nodi FC wins Deopani MSC Football Cup. Men Rongphar villagers request for constructions of new bridge in the village. 2-day football tournament concludes in Nagaon Jagadamba Tea Estate. BJP number Adarsa Sakti Kendra Sanmilan meeting at number. Good morning viewers, myself Malin Timungpi brings you today's news updates. The 2-day football tournament in Nagaon Jagadamba Tea Estate concluded with Dengpilangsu Youth Club of Rongmongwe defeating Rongagora 4-2 in the final on Sunday. Kothari Gaon Panchayat Councillor Mondo Sotal, Gaon Panchayat President Major Ali, Tea Estate Manager Niraj Borthakur, Dengpilangsu Youth Club President Biren Teron, Advisor Jem Kramsa attended the final match. Manager Borthakur assured the players and other sport persons of extending full cooperation in the field of sport. Dilip Tokbi from Rongmongwe for 365 News India. The wooden bridge over Chomna River in Men Rongphar village, located 2 kilometers from Manja Market in Singhason MSC constituency, has decayed, making it unsafe for even pedestrian use. According to villagers, the bridge was constructed more than 45 years ago and the wood has now decayed, rendering it useless for vehicles. However, the deteriorating conditions of the bridge is making it dangerous to even walk over it. This has created several inconveniences for the villagers who have now, through the media, requested KASC CM and Team Karbianglong leader Tuliram Ronghang, Assam HAD Minister Sum Ronghang and MP Horan Singh Bey for constructions of a new bridge. Raja Sanse from Manja for 365 News India.
Non dobama sarkar CM mutumstame nitum han la non election aprang stame nitum han nang mathapen la bangso dolong RCC dolong nang tim nang rangpi puasonte nitum ladak do prong singason arat pupu rong krit roxia arat stame nitum alang tum han ansuse jakong pidunya phan akhir jomi ansuse palong pontu senang pusin nitum Ladang arat stamin non dobama sarkar dampan chuniri pon.
Number Nodi FC defeated Hanjang Langso FC 4-2 on penalties in the final to win the Deopani MSC Football Cup at Deopani Playground on Sunday. Both teams were tied at 2-2 at the end of full time. After both teams failed to score during extra time, the match went into a penalty shootout. The winning team took home a trophy and cash prize of Rs 50,000. Meanwhile, the runners-up team took home a trophy and cash prize of Rs 30,000. MLA Dr. Numal Momin, MSc Mukut Mahanta, former EM Jibon Chandra Pathak, KASA Assistant Secretary Langtuk Timung, several eminent personalities of the area, and large audience attended the final match. A meeting of the BJP number Adarsa Sakti Kendra Sanmilan was held at Number Community Hall on Sunday. Bokajan MLA Dr. Numal Momin, BLCC Chairman Bipin Induwar, Sarupathar Mandal Committee President Lukhiram Rongpi and several other party leaders attended the meeting. The party leaders spoke of the achievements of the KASC in the last 5 years under the BJP rule. The meeting was specially targeted at the voters of Adarsa Thongnokpi polling stations, left and right wing, Waisong polling station and Pitiadong polling station in Sarupathar constituency. The party promised the voters of more facilities in the coming days if made victorious in the forthcoming Assam Assembly polls. Jotna Singh Bey from Borpathar for 365 News India.
Non sokti kendro meeting no na sokpene le booth amokha rally pidunang state pentalo district pentalo ilito a decision dolo or ilito bhan instruction by order na clear lo ikle nang ya pha lake election oriented lo non MLA election of aga sik cheda election ke april में के दोबे को है हम उधर लो non बागे meeting dulu kita kita dia election dah kita main lagi sekali lah. Masih Silikan ko emili nam kan bo ko je kalam ya no. La simona bang ke itu non ke bangji emili election. Mo pen emili ake hai ta pulo. Ili tu aken BJP aken dia doek ko, majuk sita aken dia ini doek ko. Hala kham itu pi hai nei. Kaso ke pai nei phang le tu te ili tu Surubuthara constituency aro bangke ko Surubuthara ke chepa hai bangke Surubuthara constituency alidar satulu PS long li alidar ke dak dalo constituency long chepa ko pon alidar ke dak penangan dolo nanti dundi bulan sita ili tu Surubuthara pe chepa ke itu hadi tilo nili akulo nali akulo anu tim pili dogar akulo lasil itu Aprang ke itu kapre ka party ni LCC dong itu hurba ke hala hurba ke isu ba strong pick ai isu ba handbrake nangji handbrake nai aki ka ke lo ba thare lo pi ni ma thare lo handbrake nangji ko LCC kan vote pina
Drongo Scooter Club, led by its chief Bhai Rongphar, who were on a 2-day tour to Manduli Lake in Dantakhad, returned to Dipu on Sunday after a successful trip. The Dipu-based Scooter Club, who started on Friday from Dipu, interacted with the villagers, explored nearby places, distributed masks to villagers, and planted trees during their 2-day stay. 30 members of the club took part in the ride. Club member Thengtom Bongrum, sharing his experience, says, while daytime was filled with activities, interactions, and exploration, nighttime was fun with campfire, music, and food. On Sunday, the club members cleaned their campsite before returning to Dipu. Villagers who warmly welcomed the Scooter Club have expressed immense happiness on the visit of the Scooter Club, saying it will promote the place, which is relatively new and unknown to many. This year, Drongo Scooter Club ride has also been supported by KAC Deputy Secretary Dewi Ronghang, Atur Arts, AR Onilutpal Ronghang, Revenues, and Rukasan Inglang. News Desk Report, 365 News India. Adieu viewers, thank you for watching 365 News India. Have a bright day ahead.